Hi guys, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So tonight's tutorial is very urgent, and that is why even though I have not finished my own, my entry is yet to be approved, but I have to make this tutorial and upload so that every one of you can also try your hands on it and be among the first 10,000 participants that is going to get rewards from FullForce. So the testnet website is testnet.fullforce.io. I am going to leave the link in the comment section for your convenience. So you want to sign in with either your metamask, your Discord, or your Twitter. So I am going to sign in with my wallet now. So I have connected with my wallet, and this is what the testnet website looks like. But then I am going to switch my browser to desktop mode because that is when you'll be able to see every feature of the website and even the task that you are here to do. So now my device is on desktop mode. You can see the task here. So the first task is to follow FullForce on Twitter. So tap on that button, FullForce Twitter, to follow them on Twitter. Then after following them, you are going to take a screenshot. Okay, so once you are done taking your screenshot, save it and then return to the testnet website, and you are going to upload your screenshot. So I am choosing my screenshot from my phone gallery, then tap on the send button after uploading your screenshot. So you can see that the task is under awaiting review. When they manually review the task, then I'll get the point that I'm supposed to get. I will get the point for the task. But then I'll move on to the next one. The next task is to retweet FullForce testnet tweet on Twitter. So I'm going to tap on start mission. Then I'm going to tap on FullForce tweet to see their tweet that I'm going to retweet. Okay, so I'm on Twitter and this is the post. So I'm going to tap on the retweet button. I'll tap on repost, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'll go to my own profile where I retweeted the post. Then I am going to take a screenshot of that post on my Twitter showing my username. That way they can verify that the post is mine. I didn't copy another person's post. So I'll go back to testnet website and I'll upload the screenshot. After uploading, I'll tap on the send button. Then I'll move on to the next task. Every time you upload a screenshot, it would not be approved instantly. They are going to manually approve every entry that we make. So that one too will be under awaiting approval. The next task is to join FullForce on Discord. So I'll tap on connect to connect my Discord server, to connect my Discord account with the website. Then tap on authorize to give them the opportunity to connect with your Discord. After that, it will take you back to the website. So you are going to tap on that mission again. You are going to tap on join. Now tap on claim reward. You can see it has shown joined. Then tap on claim reward. So for the Discord task, you are going to get 450 points and it is approved instantly. You don't need to take a screenshot for that one. The next task is to join their Telegram channel. So I'm going to my Telegram. Here is their channel and I'll tap on join. Then take a screenshot and then return to the testnet website. Then upload your screenshot. Tap on send. That one too will also be under awaiting approval. Only the Discord will be approved instantly. So the next thing is to make a tweet about FullForce. Just text anything about anything that is meaningful about FullForce and then use their hashtag FullForce in your post. Then after making your post, you are going to take a screenshot. So here is my own post. Then I'll take a screenshot of it now after posting it on my timeline. Then I'll return to the testnet website and upload my screenshot from my gallery. Then tap on send. So we are moving over to the next one, and the next task is to add FullForce to your Twitter name. So I'll go to my Twitter account, my Twitter profile. I'll tap on edit profile as if I want to edit my name. Then I'm going to add FullForce to my name. Then I'll save and then take a screenshot. Then I'll return to the testnet website. I'll upload the screenshot from my gallery and then tap on send. Then we are moving on to the next one. The next one is to mention them in your Twitter bio at FullForce_IO. So I'll do the same thing. I'll go to Twitter, edit my bio, and then I'll put at FullForce_IO. I'll save it. After saving, I'll take a screenshot. Every time you take a screenshot, make sure don't crop it out. Make sure you allow your username, your Twitter username, to show in your screenshot. And that is how they can verify that you did not screenshot another person's post and then upload, that it is your own that you are uploading. So I'll return to the testnet website, upload my screenshot and tap on send. Then we are moving over to the last mission for this part, and that is to add FullForce to your Discord name. So I will go to my Discord. I'll add FullForce to my name, take a screenshot, and then upload the screenshot here. So as you can see, I have completed all my tasks for this part and everything is awaiting approval. And I will say the reason why they made it manual approval is so that they can filter humans from bots, so that instead of people using bots to qualify for airdrop, humans can qualify. So it's going to take some time. And when all of my entry has been approved, this submit your entry button will be active. The reason why I could not wait for my own entry to be approved before making this tutorial is that the first 5,000 participants are going to get $10 each. And then the next 5,000 participants will also get $10 each, but they will have to be picked randomly. The first 5,000 will get $10 and then the next 5,000 will be picked based on random selection. So I want as many people as possible to have participated in the task before they will reach their first 5,000 participants and the next 5,000 participants. So when my entry has been approved, I'll also record my process of making the bonus mission as well. If you have any questions about this task, ask me in the comment section or join us on Telegram. And if you have found value in any of my content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you never miss out on any update at all. Thank you for watching my video and I'll see you in another one.